Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we are looking through some of the vintage stickers I've received, and we're gonna look through every single one. So I'm only putting like 3, 4, maybe 5 in each video. Alright, the first one, we got 6 pages. Alright, so these are all black and white. Kind of small. Lots of details. Pretty good. Pretty good. Sharp. Wait, this is upside down. Sharp. Good shadowing. Good details. I think I have this in washi. Very nice. And then these 3. Ooh, I love these big ones. But my problem with these sheets is, as there's only one of it, so I have to be careful what I use where. Unlike washi tape, there is only one of this. I can only use once, so yeah. But they are cheap, pretty cheap. And often better qualities than a washi. Okay, this one has vintage ladies. There is oh, it doesn't say how many pieces. There's a lot, probably some duplicates. So I'm just gonna put these down here. Let's see what they look like. Oh, duplicate. Okay. I'm gonna try not to put duplicates. Very nice. Very good color. And it's really big. Oh, it's actually really big. Very good design, very sharp, and there's like literally a lot of it. Same good postcard. Yeah, I'm like not even close to finishing. If I'm going too fast, feel free to pause at any time. Maybe extend your screen to a full size so you see better. I'm putting the duplicates behind. Very nice. Yeah, once there's a white background in it, it just instantly becomes a better color, and that's it. The rest is all duplicates. Wow. I love that there's duplicates. This is what I was saying. In the sheets there's only 1 of each. Here we have 2 of each, but sometimes there's 4 or 5 of each. Very good quality and large too. So I love these. Next one is just vintage mushrooms, animals. So there is a link down below. Click it. And it's not this exact seller, but it will be a head start to find similar items. When you open the listing, scroll down to the bottom, and there you will find similar items. I did put the link to something I was showing previously. Maybe it was a napkin? No, I don't remember. I think it was maybe a sticker set. But the thing is that multiple sellers sell the same things but in different price. Like some are 3, 4, 5 cents cheaper, or it's, yeah, be very careful. Sometimes it's really cheap, but the shipping cost yeah, that's where they get you, the shipping cost. Lots of stuff. The duplicates in here are not next to each other, so I'm trying to make sure I don't put down the same exact thing. Is that it? Have I put this one down? Not really sure. I think this is new. Nope. This one. Oh, the fox. I actually have this fox in a big whole page sticker. That's what I was saying, like the sellers, they use the same designs in different shapes and sizes, so So just, you know, keep an eye out on what you already bought, and definitely look for that price check, because oh, duplicate. These are, I think these are duplicate. Oh, there's an owl right here. Very beautiful. And yes, everything else is a duplicate. The last one is this 6-page again. So I think, oh, I already used this big one. It's okay. Amazing quality. Oh my god, look at that. I think this one was like a peacock something. Oh my god, just look at these colors. This, how intense. So beautiful. So much details. The print was really good quality. Yeah, it's insane. Was this not in this? I think very similar to that one. Very similar. Maybe this one? This one right here? Ah, they all look like. Maybe. Well, it doesn't matter. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then the other 3. See, makes no sense. Often the sets makes no sense together. It's just random stuff that have no connection, but it looks good if you do like a junk journal. The reason why I like the sets is because most of the time, not always, but most of the time they are designs that match each other. So when I'm doing a journal and putting stuff around, I like when they are in the same style. Is that a little bit of OCD of me? Possibly. But that's what I like about sets, is that they match each other and I don't have to look for something else from another set that looks like whatever I'm mainly using, if that makes sense. Alright, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. There's gonna be like hundreds and hundreds of more of these videos, so make sure you come back soon.